Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Project title: Swimming, Seamless and Efficient Wi-Fi-Based Internet Access from Moving Vehicles. Let's see the flow diagram. First, the network is formed with the number of vehicles and the access point. After the formation, the client broadcasts the request to the access point. It will process as the upwind communication. In this upwind communication, the packet, that is the request, it accesses the internet through the backhaul link. Then from the internet, the downlink communication is processed. That is the response messages that is processed to the client. After it gets, the acknowledgement collision is checked. If the collision is occurred, then acknowledgement detection scheme is included in the process. If not means the client receives the acknowledgement. After that, the performance is analyzed in the network. Now see the running procedure for our project. First, go to the directory. Then to run the code, in space filename.tcl. So now the number of nodes is created, and for each and every node the position is updated. This is the network altimeter window. Here only we see the output. This is the simulation play button. Then this is the simulation time. To run the simulation, press play button. Now the simulation is running on. This is the speed of the simulator. We can increase the speed. So now we zoom and look at the upon. Here the communication is done between the access point and a vehicle. Same as the vehicle 19 is also communicated with the access point 2. Here, as per our project, the node, that is the vehicle 5, is communicated with both the access points 0 and the 1 at simultaneously. So after some time, from the access point 1 only it gets the response. That is, the acknowledgement message comes from the access point 1. So the vehicle 5 receives the acknowledgement from the access point 1. As same as afterwards, the node, that is the vehicle 4, enters the range, and it also access the communication, that is access the access point. For both access point the request is sent, and from the access point 1 it gets the reply, and the acknowledgement verification process is done in it. So this is our project that we done in the simulation. Then to see the performance of the result, we have to see the graph analysis. So for that, type GNU plot graph name.plot. Here the graph is compared between the number of vehicles and the packet delivery ratio. Here the x-axis, the number of vehicles is represented, and in y-axis the packet delivery ratio is represented. The existing system have is packet delivered than the proposed system. The proposed system is represented in the green color. Using the swimming technique, we can increase the performance of the packet delivered in the proposed system. Then you can see another graph like so. Here we can see the results of the throughput upon varying the number of vehicles. As soon as that number of vehicles is represented in x-axis and the throughput is represented in y-axis. The existing system has less throughput than the proposed system. Throughput is nothing but at a unit time how many maximum packets are delivered in the network. So that is calculated in the megabits per second. We have better result than the existing system.